guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Hindi ko na maubos-ubos. Nakain ko. Good afternoon. It's after 4 PM na. Hindi ako naka-video kaninang umaga. Actually, yung routine namin kanina ni Mr. is yun lang, pag-uwi niya from work is nag-ehersisyo and then kumain. Tapos siya pala yung naghatid kay Kissy school kanina. Then after namin kumain, uwi ng bahay, meron lang ding inaasikaso, and then yun, pick up naman kay Kissy. Ngayon nandito ako sa Costco kasi ako yung pagas. Hindi na lang sumama si Habi at saka si Kissy. Anyway, medyo traffic. Kumusta pala kayo? Kami is okay lang, thanks to God. And hope you all are okay. And then papasalamat pala kami sa mga bagong subscriber namin. Thank you talaga. Lalo na last week nagkaroon kami ng almost 20 new subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Na-appreciate talaga namin. I hope bawat isa sa inyo na-enjoy ninyo yung daily routine as our content. Thank you talaga. And yun, nandito ako sa Costco maglagay ng gas sa sasakyan ko. So ayan, traffic. Usually kasi pag ako'y mag-gas morning after drop off ni Kissy sa school, mga around before 8 in the morning, kasi hindi traffic pag ganong oras. Pag ganitong oras, after work kasi ng mga nagtatrabaho, kaya traffic, but it's okay. Dito kasi kami nagpagas ni Mr. lagi. Gusto namin dito sa Costco. Well, anyway guys, after nito, si Kissy, tatawagan ko siya. Saka si Habi kung gusto nila na anong gusto nilang kakainin. Actually may pagkain sa bahay pero hindi ko alam kung gusto pa nila ng iba, kasi ako kanina heavy na yung breakfast ko eh. Kumain ako ng broccoli, rice, brown rice, at saka manok kasi paborito ko eh. Yung sa Panda Food. Si Mr. naman is chicken din with salad, vegetable salad na may tomato and avocado. So heavy na yun, but anyway, kakain din siguro ako na dahil parang medyo nagutom ako. So well, anyway guys, habang ako'y mag-aantay, samahan niyo ako. Mainit. Siya pa rin yung weather namin. Actually, medyo mainit na siya. Pero, yun lang, ingat kami nang dahil sa morning. Yung hangin niya is malamig pa rin. Tapos, around mga 10 AM, umpisa na yung init. Hanggang ano na yan, mga after 7 PM. Actually, mga between 6 PM and 7 PM, ma-feel mo na yung lamig, yung cool ng hangin, lalo na pag kasi araw pa yun eh, maliwanag pa yun between 6 and 7 PM. Yun, pag matamaan ka sa araw, hindi mo ma-feel masyado yung lamig. Pero pag nasa indoor ka or nasa shade ka, yung hangin naman ang ma-feel mo. But anyway, oh my God, soon is May na pala. Thanks to God, so far our April is all good. Hope this coming May, another good month for us, especially to me, my family, my friends, relatives, and sa atin lahat. Ingat lang tayo lagi, laging manalangin na safe tayo at saka healthy. Importante sa atin lagi is healthy tayo at saka safe. Guide tayo ni God lagi, everyday. Napansin niyo siguro lagi ako nagsusombrero. Kailangan kasi gusto kong kahit nasa labas ako, yung mukha ko ba hindi siya direct to the araw. Kahit mag-dark man yung skin niya, at least hindi naman masyado. Okay, next na. Alright, here we are. My turn. Tapos na ako mag-gas. Tawagan ko muna yung anak ko kung gusto ba niya sumama. Parang gusto ko something crispy ngayon. Parang masarap kumain ng sandwich. Pero yung chicken sandwich na may vegetable, gusto ko yun paminsan-minsan. Okay. Alright, let's go. I'm out here. I'm done. Unahin muna natin si Inday. Palabas na rin siya. Alright guys, uuwi na ako sa bahay. Dumaan lang ako, bumili ako ng sandwich kasi nag-grip talaga ako ng chicken sandwich. And then, nag-extra na lang din ako ng chicken tender. Actually, si Casey at saka si Mr. Kasi si Mr. nga nag-pick up kay Casey sa school. And then, ako naman yung nagpagas. Sila din dumiretso sa Filipino restaurant. Bumili sila ng, gusto ni Casey ng sinigang. And I don't know kung ano pa ang binili nila. So, si Mr. daw, bumili din siya ng makain. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng pagkain. So, anyway, pauwi na ako. Kahapon pa ako nag-crave ng crispy chicken eh. Okay lang kasi kanina, ang kinain ko naman is broccoli, brown rice, and chicken. Usually hindi ako kakain ng marami na sa gabi, but tonight nag-crave talaga ako. So para naman masatisfy yung isip ko. Kakain na lang ako kasi kahapon pa ako naghahanap. Hi guys, uwi muna ako. Where's your dad, baby? Showering. I'm not gonna show you, just your face. How are you? How's your school? How's your school today? You had a good time from 7 a.m. 7:30 to 4 p.m.
I know how to scorekeep now.
Awesome. Your teacher called me, Mr. Hansen.
Girl, okay.
Yeah, he said you're doing great, and he needs you tomorrow.
Thank you.
You guys going to Walker?
Yeah.
Then I'll pick you up at school, right?
Yes.
So anyway, I'm home, guys. And then, Daddy, you guys bought Filipino food, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Nila. So did Daddy eat already? Oh, my favorite. And I think that's sabaw. Did you eat already?
No, a little bit, but not really.
Where's your rice?
I don't know.
Is this yours? Is that yours?
Yeah, but I didn't even eat all of it.
Did you guys bought rice too?
Oh, girl, my feet are there.
I
like to be a fatty today.
Me too.
Even though I don't feel like
Party for
Oh,
Mommy
guys.
today.
Is that for you and Daddy?
No, for us. Daddy actually doesn't want it. She's eating the extra food I got. For me is this one. This is what I mean. Crispy chicken. Kumain na si... Ayun, saan na? Actually, kumain na si Casey sa rice and sabaw niya. Meron ba siyang tira? Daddy eat too, right? Alright, kain muna kami, guys.
Asin ko na, nakapila ko mga late ukakon.
Okay.
Sakit akong tiyan, kailan na insakto sa kuwan. Wow! Nice food.
May kinipat yung rice?
Nice.
Diyan may rice, anak.
Ano yung palit ko? Gamari ko dito, Pasko ka lang.
Mami,
Iya ka rin?
Oo, yan na. Nagkaroon ko sa karne na yan. Yan, sakit ko niyan tiyan.
Hindi lang.
Oh, that's what she said.
huh?
No, nothing, Nak. You're special.
Yeah, my stomach did hurt. Now it don't no more.
Anyway guys, kain mo na kami.
No, I just finished it. I cannot wait for you because, you know, it's late. You cannot
Yeah,
eat
look.
right now.
Bye.
This part.
Say bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.
You charge your phone.
I'm wearing Casey's shirt and Daddy asked if I asked permission.
No.
Did I?
No.
No. Are you mad?
No.
I do.
Daddy do? Thank you. Casey doesn't want to wear like this.
Because it's
Yes I do. We're talking about.
school. It's not where school.
Guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Hindi ko na maubos-ubos. Nakain ko yung fries. Excuse my tummy. But again, I was craving. So, tummy happy. And for Casey too. Kasi kumain na siya kanina ng rice with sabaw. So, hindi namin naubos yung dalawa. May sabaw pa siyang tira. May chocolate milk pa ako. And, so you don't want this banana? Toron? Alright guys, that's it for today. Kung si Habi din na kumain kasi kumain na siya kanina. After bumili ng pagkain din na ligo. Alright guys, again, pangalawang bye-bye na namin to. Thank you and bye-bye.